How to turn off new followers notification on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will go to your TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, as you see here, you will just go down to your profile, open your profile. Then when your profile is open, you will go to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you will go to settings and privacy. Click on it, then go to notification, open it, and then you will go now to new followers. And now you have to turn off this by clicking here like this and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.